Hey everyone, this is Isaac, and welcome to another Photoshop tutorial. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to make the paint splash effect in Photoshop. Let's get started. Here we have a picture of our model that we want to put into a paint splash effect. The first thing you want to do is import a picture of a paint splash. Just like this one. You can find these on the internet easily by typing paint splash png. Then position our model so she fits into paint splash. When we've done that, press OK and put our model above the paint splash. Right click our model and create clipping mask. Now we can better adjust the position of our model. I'm going to color the background black so you can see the model better. Let's change the color of our paint splash. Select the brush tool, select a pretty big size like 500 pixels and put the hardness to 0%. Let's say I want red. Color over our paint splash, add a bit of shading and right click and press create clipping mask. Put the opacity down to around 20 to 40%. If you want to put multiple colors, just select the new color and paint over it. And that's it for this video. If you found this video useful, subscribe for more tutorials like this one. Check the description below for the links of all my socials, and if you have any questions or future video requests, leave them down in the comments below.